long time ago. My mom used to make clothes and she would sell them to the friends, to the community, and that's the money that she really used to pay education for my sisters. I decided to try to make bags. And she showed enthusiasm at home, when you're doing something and someone is helping you out to do this and do that. So that's why we decided to start this business together.
Basically, it was something that just happened, with time. It's just interest. The more you do stuff, the more you feel like you should do more of it and do it every day.
I love leather, it's timeless. All the bags that my mom had, I have some of them. My sisters passing them on to me, and it just shapes you, it tells you a story. So that inspired me quite a lot.
I think it's just the passion. If you see something you like, you'd also want to, make something that could look like that, something that you would make your own, and you like it more because you designed it yourself. And the more you like it, I feel that the more people actually start to like what you make. I feel that our bags are not as highly priced as other bags, so they're more affordable to have, and people really like them, and our styles are very nice.
My day, it's full of surprises. I can plan to an extent, but then when there is a demand in the business, I've got to take action, because if I don't fulfill their requests, the production stops. So I've got to work myself around the schedule of the business.
In a couple of years, we should be international and we should be expanding, having more stores around South Africa.